Hey guys, welcome to Codeslas and welcome to our fifth part of this ongoing Android True Color Clone series. So let's get started with our these Figma design series. Sorry, Figma design video. In last video we have done this Figma design part one where we have designed sign up screen and splash screen, and we also designed logo on Canva. So in this video, what we'll be doing is we'll be completing this design part of this app. So what we'll do is we'll create one verify OTP screen, we'll create a list of user screen, and we'll create a dialog screen where we'll just show the users details, whatever the details that we have right now. So let's get started with this video without wasting any time. So first of all, there are a few things that I need to I need to refactor that I so first of all, let's just change the color of this. Instead of black, let's give it a brownish color. This is the code. So what I'll do is just quickly change it colors to this, and same for this button. Yeah, so it's done. So let's create a new screen. Okay, what? Let's give it a con of 50 and put it, make its color black as we have done with all other screens. Then for the verified screen, we'll show these tags first. So let's just put the title first, and this will write verify OT quickly make it wrap content, just put it in center. Then we'll put this text. I've already so I'll just copy and paste it in here. Make it white. So it's done. So let's put OTP let's say if our OTP will be size of like six digits, so we'll have to put 6 digits there. So to that we need to have a shape. We'll take a line and we'll draw one line with angle 0 and give it a color. We'll give it a color white, so it will be able to we'll be able to see. Let's make this grid visible. This is keep it till 4 digits for now. You can make it 6 or 7 or lesser like 3 2. It's on you, not 2. It must be It depends on the size of your application, that how many OTPs you are going to generate at a time, so it should not repeat. Okay, think now all are aligned. Yes. To make all center this. Now we can like hide this. It's done. Just move it a bit down. Now we need to show a text or a digit on these. So what we'll do is just create another. Let's just copy. Let's just create a text. Put it any digit. Light. Color will be white. So yes, I think all are aligned, right? Yes. So now what we'll do is, so we'll have to give an option to resend the OTP if they have not got notification in the first time, or else if they have like or something else like it could be anything like they have entered another OTP or the OTP has expired. So we need to give some time. After that we'll ask them to uh, enter the OTP again. So what we'll do, just copy this, put it exactly in here. Now we'll copy this, paste it here. Now what we'll do is we just copy this button, so it's done. Yeah, so our verify OTP screen is ready. So now what we'll do is, now we'll create another screen where where will be showing the list of users, and in this list of users will show very few information, and on click of the detail of the user will show a dialog kind of thing where we'll show rest of the information. So there will not be like lots of information that you see in this Truecaller app, because we are not going to like make a huge like their app. We are just making, will it's the purpose of our this entire series is to design some stuff like from scratch. We are creating this application, and also we are going to implement a feature which is like core feature of Truecaller. So yeah, that's it. And for that, let's start making this another screen. So what will I just copy this, I'll paste it again, just do this. Now I'll change its name to list of users and give this screen a name verify TP. So if you guys have any query regarding any of these things, if you have any particular topic in your mind and if you want a tutorial on it, just do not hesitate to ask me in comment, or you can also mail me. I'll be happy to do it. So yeah, so this screen is a list of users screen. Sorry. So yeah. So by the way, I'm not a, a professional Figma user. So I'm just like you guys. So if there is something that you might feel that some issue, you might feel in like that there is some issue, just do let me in comments. I'll try to improve. Not I'll know, I won't try. I'll definitely improve. Okay. Let's give it a 20 corner radius. Make it white. Now I think we should remove this. Yes. Now we need to show these a list of users. So for that, what we'll do is we'll have another. So I think, let me think in my head that what we'll be doing. So I'll just create rectangle again. In this we'll create something like this. For that it will be good if we know how it. Okay. Give it 10 radius. Now give it a color. Colors will be this one, this brownish color. Now in that, what we'll do is we'll show an avatar kind of icon, but we will not be showing this avatar, but instead we'll show initials of the name, like if there is a name like John Doe or D or whatever it is, you can just like JD, something like that. So what we'll do is just create another. We'll go for around this time, make it perfect. 50 50, put it in center. Yes, make it white. Now we'll have another text fill which there will be, we will show, let's say my name is Karsh Soni, so we'll use that. And put it in center, and the color will be white. And in this, what we'll do is we'll create and we'll take text. small text, and we'll just use initials of my name. Give it a color. I think that's good. Now we'll take another text fill where we'll show the city name. Let's I live in Ahmedabad. Now we will have this button also, so let's think we'll give it a radius. Just put this button in here somewhere, make it into center, give it a radius 10, color white, not white because our background is white, so instead of white we'll give it a color 2A, 2B, 2A, black. Give it a color, also give it a text white, bring to front, give it a name view. So let's remove this now for a second, and you can see it looks nice. So what we'll do is we'll just copy these. Oh, why I'm not able to select this entire thing? Okay. So that's it. Now I think what we'll do is we'll select both the items, copy it, paste it, copy it, paste it, so these are user details, so user list screen. So we'll list all the users like this in this grid manner, and now like remove this, so it look actually fine. I think they are not aligned. Okay, yeah. So that's it for the list of user screen. Now what we'll do is we'll create another screen. So on top of view button of any user will show that user's detail screen. So for detail screen, what we'll do, we'll just take another frame, take any frame, put it in center, give it a radius 50, keep white color as it is. Now what we'll do is we'll have these things, so let's just copy paste it in here, give it a name, list, user details, give it a color, so let's just give it 000. Now in the detail screen we'll need to put details of the user, like copy it, paste it in here, change its color to 2A, 2B, 2A, right, and give it a field name. Okay, let's just show the grids. City name, and give it another field which will be phone number, because that's the key information that we'll need in this app, otherwise we won't be able to send, otherwise there is no purpose of this clone. So that's it. Now we'll show the relevant information on the other side. So we'll just copy all of these, put it in a line. So for name, Karsh Sony, and we'll put a button, send. Now as we need to send some text that is entered by the user, so if you want to select the username, you want to send notification directly, so we will also be implementing that thing in this video. So that is not that is a very good feature if you want to implement. So what we'll do is we'll just create another field where we take the messages that user want to, it's not the user but the but if you want to send it to a particular number. So what we'll do is we'll just have another rectangle, put it in here, we'll give it a background as F, we'll give it a stroke as black, we'll give it a radius of 20, not 20, let's keep it 10, we'll increase its height to 50, put it in center, and in that we'll also have another text field. which will enter the message you want to send. You need to understand by yourself. Yeah, just put it in center, give it a bold light into the message, and it's done. And now, as it will be a dialogue, we'll have this, and to make it in center we'll just have to your detail screen is ready. So now all of our screens are ready. So now let's go to the implementation. Okay. So if you have any doubt, put it in the put it in the comment. I'll put all the links on in the description. And if you have any particular video request, you can mail me at mail2codeassist@gmail.com, and you can also comment down in any of our videos that are, I think this will be a 10th video of my channel. So thank you guys.